Hello everyone, welcome to the course of Fusion 360. My name is Rahil Bhattacharya, an Autodesk certified professional working at Webflex Consultancy Service Private Limited as a corporate trainer. Now, before starting the overview of the course, let us discuss what is Fusion 360. Fusion 360 is a 3D CAD, CAM, CAE tool of its kind, connecting entire product development process into one cloud-based platform. Now, after discussing about what is Fusion 360, let us discuss why we should choose Fusion 360. First of all, it is a user-friendly software. Sharing is made easy with the help of cloud system. It is a parametric software. Memory recommendation is only 4 GB. Has modernistic look. Now let us see what we will be learning in this course. In this course, first we will learn how to sketch, how to use circles, lines, rectangle, etc. to build up a sketch. Also we will learn how to apply fillets and how to trim the sketch and many more other options. And then once the sketch is done, we will learn how to convert a sketch to a 3D model and also look at how to apply properties and appearance and then convert the 3D model to a 2D drawing. Also we will learn how to assemble parts and animate it to form an exploded view. All these complicated things can be done easily in Fusion 360. So, without giving a second thought, we can choose Fusion 360 as our CAD software for making a product. Thank you.